What's up guys, we're back with another video and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own thumbnail to put on any video of your choice. Now let's get right into this video. The first thing you want to do is get Phonto if you don't already have it. So do that, and you're going to want Google or Safari. It doesn't matter as long as you're signed in to one of them. And then you can get YouTube, but if you don't have YouTube, just don't worry about it. So yeah, because you're gonna have to delete it later in the video. But don't worry about that now. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is go into Google, and you want to type up some things that you want on your thumbnail. So like subscribe, like a subscribe button. So you just hold the picture and save image. And you can do it to a bunch of pictures that you would like to have on your thumbnail. So just hold it and save it. Just do it over and over again. And you can also get some cool text. So I'm just going to go with this one. And I'll be leaving this link down in the description if you want to have it. Because there's like over 1,000 types of text that are really cool. So I'm just going to type my YouTube name, but I'm not going to put the numbers in because, yeah, I don't want to. Alright, just save that. And the most important thing is your background. So I'm just going to get any random background for this video and just save the image. After you've got all your text, all your backgrounds, all your images, you have to go out of Google or Safari, whatever you're using, whatever browser. You have to go into Phonto, and if you don't have it, just download it, pause the video, and yeah, go into this camera, go into photo albums, go into camera roll, and press your background that you would like on your thumbnail, and press these 3 bars. It will allow you to add an item, add an image from your camera roll, change the theme, and crop the square, and a bunch of other stuff like settings and some other thing. So I'm just going to pick add image because I want to add an image. I'm going to pick the text that I did, and I'm going to pick size, make it a little bit big. And there's all these like other options like tilt, you can go like this. I'm going to do that, and then you can move it with the arrows and stuff. And you can make it alpha, so like very almost like unable to see, but it's really cool. It looks like a ghost. I'm gonna add another image, and I'm gonna add this subscribe button. I'll put it over here, and I'm gonna make it bit bigger. And next thing I'm gonna do is add that YouTube button. I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to add an item to show you what items there are. So I'm going to add the like button. Wait, no, I can't do that. I'm just going to add the first one. So that one. And I'm going to add a big thumbs up. You can add text, change the font, you can do anything. You can, I don't know what those are. You can add a symbol. I'm gonna add an emoji, so like a thumbs up for like the video. That reminds me guys, if you enjoy this video, remember to leave a like. And yeah, so that is basically it. After you finished the thumbnail that you've done, go on to press the lower right corner, the save button, and press save image, and then save successfully, press OK. And then after that, go here, and then delete YouTube if you have it. And yeah, you won't lose anything, you won't lose your profile or anything. All you gotta do is re-download it and press your profile, and then you'll be back logged in. Alright, now either go into Google or Safari, I'm gonna go on Google because it's better. I think so. So YouTube, type in youtube.com. .com. So when it loads up, you're going to see this 3 dots in the corner, in the high right corner, beside the search button. You press it desktop, and then it's going to change into like a computer version on an iOS device. Then you want to press your profile, then create a studio, then go into the video you want to put the thumbnail on. So I'm just going to do this one, the top one, and then press edit, and then once it loads up, go down, and then I've already done it, but it would come up with a blue bar right where my custom thumbnail is, and it would come up with photo library, and then you would put your image that you would like onto it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cancel that because I have my thumbnail and it's really good. Yeah, so that's it for that video, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.